10W40. Nou, ik kon dat gewoon in het Nederlands doen, mannetjes. Ik kon ermee stoppen met dat in het Engels. Ik heb 10W40 gevonden voor turbodiesels. Okay, let me take over. Found the oil in the Action store, which is really not the best oil, but you can better have the wrong oil than no oil. So I decided to buy the 10W40 oil, which is normal for this temperature for the car. I just left that camping spot, which was actually closed. It was a communal camping spot, which is only open in summer. It's closed in winter. That's why the toilet and the water and the trash was actually open, but everything else was closed. But they didn't lock it. So I opened the barrier, the gate myself. And I ate in the evening. I had a little bit of leisure time in the evening. I did a good walk. It was a really nice little town. Then we slept, and in the morning when I did my walk, there was a communal worker probably coming to say that I shouldn't be there, and I needed to go. So we packed up and we go. Now for the oil, I tried to check underneath the car where my oil is going, but I can't seem to find it because it's not smoking hard, the car. So I don't know where the oil is going. And my previous car was the exact same engine, and in years I didn't have to do one drop oil in it. So it wasn't using oil at all, and this car is. So that's why I'll check the bottom. But I'm not worried too much. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, and I keep checking the oil so we don't run dry. Apparently, I have a huge gap again in my content. I thought I filmed more. I'm pretty sure I filmed more. But it was on my cell phone and on the GoPro, but I can't find the footage anymore. But it doesn't really matter that much, because now it was just driving and making distances. Because I think I only took 2 days every station, every camping spots or sleeping spots. Because I used campspace and regular campings in between. We are still in France, and I think I did 3 more stops, so approximately a week. 3 more stops and 2 camp spaces. This is one from where I stopped at. Very nice people. I don't think they did it previously before me a lot, because it was a little bit of searching for everything. But it was really nice. People nice. They let me go. They let me do my thing. They didn't mind. They showed me around how I could make huge walks. It was in a Cognac area, and that's pretty nice. That was a pretty nice city. Dat is de cognac van de komende jaren. Daar ongeveer sta ik met de caravan. En deze is mijn uitzicht voor te wandelen. Ik vind dat niet zo. at a stop where I lost my walking stick. Oh, I lost my walking stick, I'm pretty sure. I probably have a couple of pictures from the pound, from the fishing pound, but I don't have much from the campspace. Camping. It was a camping, regular camping. And it was really nice, but it was really expensive on the internet. They asked for, what was it? I think €5 for every day. No, €4 for a day internet. And it was so slow, it was embarrassing. You can actually see this. This is terrible internet. Terrible internet. Luckily I had my Wi-Fi extender and I could pump it up a little bit. But yeah, it was a nice camping spot. What else did we do? And then the next week's video is gonna be about when we almost are at the Atlantic. And then I think my content is bumped up a good amount and we can start making good content probably. I hope I can get closer to now, because then I can keep my content up to date, because if I need something I can just go out and film.